side. This one's for Tony and Vic. Came out here, started up the motor. Got a little bit of oil burning off the manifold. You know, we didn't run it all that much. Well, it's idling nicely once it warmed up. You hear that sucking. Temp gauge moved off the line by the sea. Fuel tank's still working. Oh, sorry, oil pressure's still working. Got the alternator, fuel gauge. That's pretty good. But it's been about probably 2 weeks since I started. We got a little less than 5 weeks to go before we drive this thing cross country. Until Tony and Vic comes out. But it sounded pretty good. I don't hear that lifter. I don't hear it at all. Anyway, a little update on the truck. It smoked a little bit when we started up, but other than that, it's running fine. So anyway, that's that. Can't wait for you guys to get out here so we can put that new carb and all them parts on. Intake, power steering pump, power steering box down there. Still leaking right there. You can see it barely, but anyway, just want to give you a little video of that. So anyway, later.